Yo, yo, I'm live, boys. We got the chat box now. Alright. Look, full screen for the start of the video. Welcome, guys, to live stream. Learning C programming language, part 2. And we're just going to get right into it. Put the hours in. So, here we go. Camera's here. OBS. Close that out. I don't know why I can't see the chat while OBS is closed, but it is what it is. Alright, we got the command line here. Okay, you can see. Yeah, y'all can see. Boom, boom. Alright, let's get it. So we left off last video, or last live stream, about 2D arrays. Let's see where we were at. So, nope, C.C. Okay, so this is where we were at. We were gonna make this matrix. How do I zoom in? What's going on here? Quit. Zoom in. Nope. Let's get out of here. Vim C.C. Alright, so this is what we were doing last video. We wanted to make this X here. And this will be a good leak code practice or whatever to solve problems. So if we look at here, if we run this, we currently just output, what do we have, 10 by 10, which we don't need to do. We need to 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. We need to do a 5 by 5 instead of a 10 by 10. So what we're going to do is go through and make the array fill with 5 by 5s and the loops 5 by 5. Boom. Let me go here and change this. Right, quit, and we're gonna compile. So cl c.c clear, run it, and now we have a 5 by 5 array. Excuse me. Then we're gonna go ahead and do, so this is the part where, so the x's, we're gonna list where the x's are at. Okay, so 0 0, first x is 0 0, second x is 0 1 2 3 4, I believe. Yep. Column and row. So column 0, column 4, 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then column 1 1, column 1 0 1 2 3. We're just gonna do columns instead of going boom boom 0 1 2 0 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 column 1, 3 column 3, and lastly 4 1 2 3 4 4 comma 0, and then 4 comma 5 or 4. Boom. So these we need to fill with x's, and let's go ahead and do that. So how can we do this? Is anybody here? Okay. So what I'm going to do is, the best way to do this, we do an if statement. If array 2D J is equal to do not want to have a big long code. Let's look. Array art. Actually, we don't need to check. We just need to set them to 0. What am I doing? So instead of this, we're going to yank this. And we are going to, we'll fill them with zeros. And then we'll just set the 2D array to I already got it listed, so we'll do X. But it's an integer array. See, can we add a... See, I know in C++, but we can't do it in C. See, this is one of those things that when you're learning C, it's like, okay, how are we going to do this? You have to think in a whole different way. Can you use a char? So you know what? We are going to test it. It's equal to C or X. Let's try that out. No, what am I doing? Get rid of that. Undo. Right here. Lowercase x. We're gonna try the first one, 0, 0. Quit. Compile. We're gonna see. I think that's just an ASCII. Yeah, the ASCII is one of x is 120. See right here, 120 is lowercase x, and that's what it's outputting on here. But we want the actual x to be put on the output. We don't want 120. So how can we do this? YouTube. Alright, how can we do this? What is this? I never sent hearts. Sign in. Did I say anything? How do I get out of here? Okay, I don't know what's going on. Let's go to YouTube. Search me up. Am I even live? Yeah, we're live. We're live. Okay, that worked, but I don't know what's going on. Wait. Yeah, baby, 1080p. Let's go. Alright. Enough of that. Let's get back to learning this nonsense. So how can we... Let's see. How can we output a character and integer in one array? If we can even do that in C. Let's see if they got... This is C++. So I guess if you have a string array and then you convert that into, anyways, let's just not put x's. Making this too difficult for myself. Let's go ahead and put a 1. That would be nice. We're gonna yank this. Okay, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Gotta make sure my stuff looks pretty. Okay. Now, 0, 0, 0, 4. 1, 1. 1, 3. 2, 2. 3, 1. 3, 3. 4, 0. And then we need one more. 4, 4. Right, quit, compile, run. Wait, why is it a 1? Or 49, it should be a 1. Wait, let's look. ASCII code for 1 is... It's 49, yeah. Okay, let's go back and fix this. C.C. Yeah, we gotta get rid of these quotation. Okay. Let's go, boys. We have solved our question of 2D arrays. Let's go. Woo! See, this is C at its finest here. Okay. So, what are we gonna do now? Let's move on. Let's see. Vim C.C. Okay, yep. We made this in O squared. Actually, we did it in O. We just immediately hard-coded it, but it is what it is. So, I will be deleting all of this. That is enough of 2D arrays in C. We'll save this up here. Get rid of this line. Return 0. Alright, here we go, boys. Let's get rid of this. We don't need ASCII codes anymore. Now, you can do vowels. Inside the braces, 1 row. Okay, we're done with this. Next tutorial. If else, typical things. If left and equal to something, to outcomes. If else, typical stuff. We don't really need to go over this. If else, if else. If you need the, we call them brackets or open parentheses. Not. Yep. What's this exercise here? What's the exercise? this exercise. Construct the if statement inside the guess number function. Checks the number equal to 55. In that case, it must print correct. You guessed it. Ah, this is simple stuff. Do it in our own code over here. I just copied this. Control C, C, C. Yeah, I'll paste. Got rid of my R. Okay, nothing down there. Let's make a new function. It's going to be called void guess number int guess, enter the number. I like inline brackets or block code. I do not enjoy this type of coding right here. That's just me. Okay, we're gonna input the number called guess. So if guess is equal to 500, then we run the code. Else, if guess is equal to 600, run the code. And then else, that's only checking 3. We're not gonna do it. We're gonna do run the code. So what's our challenge here? This is equal to 5555. Oh, we're not checking these 3. So we're not doing equal to. If the guessed, okay, if it's equal to 5555, then it must print correct. You guessed it. Okay, one new line. If it's less than 5555, then what we need to do is print F. Your guess is too low. Man, this is some boring stuff here. I need to make something. But why not? Let's do this before we move on. Can't do the boring stuff. Can't do the unboring stuff, I guess. And then otherwise, let's just do another if else. Why not? Or else if. Guess it's greater than 5555. What are we gonna do? We're gonna print your guess is too high. New line. Woo! Actually, I need a space here. Okay, let's just take user input. Why not? Make this a little harder. Like a scanf. Scanf %d. Correct. Yep. We're gonna type int user equal to 0. So we're gonna do scanf %d, comma user. I think it's scanf. Yeah. And we need to do the yeah, we need to reference the value. Then we're going to call the function, which instead of doing the number, we're going to send the user. Okay, this should work. Okay, we got problems. Function threats found. Let me look at this. What do you mean threats have been found? Can't tell me that and not let me freak out. It says we're good. It was scanned 219. Okay, anyways, let's get back to coding. Okay, close this out. Function char differs than int. Int. No new threads. They're capping on me, man. Alright. Scan F. Something's going wrong right here. What's going wrong here? Something's up. How long we been live? 20 minutes? That ain't too bad. I like my video. It ain't let me like it. Alright. Anyways. This exercise. Okay, something's going wrong, boys. We must decode. Printf. If guess, okay. Equal than, less than. Int. Or do we need to reference this? Or do we need to point to it? Let's see if this works. Okay, we are freaking out here. What is going on with this Windows Defender? Can't stand this nonsense. What is this? Oh, this stupid boys. Windows thinks my C programming is a threat. I tell you. Phonesy. Let's look this up. Okay, how do I... Sorry guys, y'all can't see anything. So look what's going on, boys. Windows Defender thinks my command prompt is running a threat. That's it. compile this in full program. Yeah, if you compile in C. Virus total. False positive generated by Minju. Exclusion of virus. Since you wrote the program and you know it's not a Trojan, it's false positive. Okay. There's always something on here. So Windows thinks that my C program is a malware. Let me look at it again before I leak anything. Let's see. Quarantined C projects C.exe. It says severe. Huh. Okay. Yeah, so it's crazy. Let's watch. So let's compile again. See if it glitches. Yeah, look. Every time we compile, Windows security thinks our programs are a virus or malware. That's funny. Anyways, I guess we can ignore that. Oh my goodness. We have problems here. Let me quit vim c.c. So how do we call a variable inside of a function? That's what we need to do. C function, put variable. Function parameters, that's what we need to do. Void. Okay. Char name, they declare it. Then they pass in right here name, guess, if guess, and age. I'm missing something here, so they don't pass by reference. So let's see, something's going wrong. Scanf user %d. Do we even need quotation marks? Guess number, calling the function. Okay. Pass parameters. Void. Guess number. We send in the integer. Guess. Call the function right here. No, we get the user input, which is a number. Right here. Scanf. And these double quotes. Maybe that's why. Double quotes. Okay. Store it here. Then we use user here. I don't think we need to. Wait, undo. Down here. I don't think we need to reference this. We're gonna compile. Okay, we're good. See. Take it. Oh, we can't even run. Can't even run our executable because it's seen as a virus. Hey buddy, how to be good at C++. Dude, just sit in front of a computer, man, and do C++. Literally, that's it. Like, this is what I'm doing for C. I solve problems. See, like right now, I would love to be using C++. But now I'm having problems because Windows thinks that my executable is a virus or malware and is quarantining it. It's not even creating it here. C.C. Okay. Creates it. And if we refresh, okay, dir. We try to run C. It deletes it here. Windows quarantines it, which causes a problem because I would like to run C. So what if we compile with GCC version this GCC C.C CLS. Did it create anything? A.exe. And then we take our user input 5555. Correct, you guessed it. So if we compile with GCC, Windows Defender says it's okay, I guess. If we compile with the old Microsoft compiler, it says it's a malware. I'm doing C++ for data structures and algorithms. So if you're doing C++ for DSA, I would go to, let's do a side quest. Okay, let's get out of here. Go to code blocks. Or no, not code blocks, code forces. Go to code forces here and literally go to problem set. What is this? Click the little green arrow. It will take you to these here. Watermelon. Okay, this stuff right here is awesome. So if you're doing data structures and algorithms, you need to know how to use C++, like basic, because data structures and algorithms is like, it's so if you have DSA and then you have like just regular C++, yeah, they're two different things. So like you can script very good in C++, but then when it comes to DSA, you don't know what you're doing. So I would make sure you know how to, C++ in and out, do some code forces like Watermelon. This should be easy. All these A questions should be very easy, or at least be able to do them. And then hop over to LeetCode. This is what I did. And I just sat here and did like learn the data structures. What is going on here? How do I see the code? How do I see problems? Code to some. What is this? Wait, can I run code here? What is this? If I'm not signed in. Vector to some run. Log in and sign up. Anyways. Dude, no, bro. Code Forces is not for programmers. No, look, you gotta do Watermelon and stuff. You'll pop off. Literally, if you could do Code Forces, the LeetCode becomes fairly easy, and you're like, yeah, this is easy. Like if you do something hard and then you do something easy, the easy one's really easy. Hello, Mini M4. What's going on? Nice profile pic. But anyways, I guess I have to use GCC in this -s version because Windows does not like CL. Yeah, this right here, optimizing compiler. It thinks, so like every time I run it, the Windows whatever freaks out and it's like, yeah, malware, C executable. But anyways, yeah, any questions, let me know. It's like a live stream, I guess. I don't know, I thought like, why not live stream me learning C? Because people skip over, you know, the learning part in their videos and stuff. And like literally what I'm doing now is what the majority of people like do behind the scenes. Sit there and learn. I know you see those like leak code videos and stuff, and they're like, yeah, do this, do this, do this. But they're not actually showing you what's actually happening. So let's see, Vim. So anyways, this popped out. These are all 555. If it's equal to 555, you correct it. Else, check again. Then you print this. Less than 555. So let's see, let's try it again. Let's try it. Dir CLS. We're gonna run a.exe. Enter 1, 2, 3. Your guess is too low. So what's going on here? Something we're outputting 3 things. So no matter what, all 3 of these are getting run. Printf, printf. It's running it 3 times. Why is this? Let's see. Keeps running twice instead of once. That's because you're typing 2 characters as input. The second one. What is this? Don't understand this. Oh, we need to exit. So we need to return, I think return 0. How to break out of a if else in C. Okay, break. That's the same thing in C++. Break. Okay, control. Let's get out of here. Quit, compile. What is this? If number, is that break? Not within loop or switch. We're in here. If this is true, print and then break. If let's see if return works. This is what I was thinking at first. Okay, that worked. Let's type 1, 2, 3. Nope, it did not work. Anybody say anything? Yeah, C++ uses cout inline. Yeah, I know. But sadly, in C, you have to use the forward dash. So like, yeah, you have to use this right here. This little forward dash or backdash, whatever. Yeah, forward dash, and then the N. You have to do it in every, like, that's just new line. So if you're gonna print F, you have to do new line, and it's like, oh man, I know I'm so used to doing C out. Yeah, like if we go to, what is this? C++ ID online. Oh yeah, guys, you just do, like, if we want to do using name space std, so we do cout hello, and then we do cout and L. This should, where's the run? Oh, I guess we need to be able to see it. Last line. Run. Yeah, it made a new line. See how, and then it ended the line. I know. I love C++ for some reason. Okay, let me get rid of this. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. Okay, back to business. Let's get back to business. Defeat the Hans. Okay. Okay, our problem here. Look, here we go again with these C problems. I spend my time debugging C the whole time. 555. So our thing is printing out 3 times. So even though we got it correct, it's printing it out 3 times. And we only want to print once. So vim c.c, which is a problem because if it's equal to 555, correct, you guessed it, else if let's do if. Forget the else's. Let's see if this works. No, it still doesn't work. Put in L ahead of hello. We're past this, bro. Go learn some C++, man. You got this. We're currently learning C, dude. No plus plus it. Which is very sad, so I guess just C. C++ minus minus. So it's just C. Anyways, we currently have 3 print lines. But all 3 are running, even though it's... Let's see. Okay. If condition, run is true. Void and age. Age. Something must be going on with the okay, here we go. If else. If Make our user input. So what's going on here? Let me see. Exercise. Copy. No. No. Yank it. Let's try to yank. No. Stupid Windows. Anyways, I'm done with this. We're not gonna mess with this. Delete. Going beyond my means here. Delete. Why is it gonna give me an error? Okay. How long have we been live? Yes. 45 minutes. I'm done. Boys, we are defeated. I can't even figure out how to do if statements in C. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is part 2. I gotta figure out some more stuff, man. Hey, I gotta get these things more, what do you call them? More organized. Alright. I thought it'd be cool just to load up some live streams. Yeah. Even though I might be looking like a fool, it is what it is. This is where that learning is. So guys, who I'm gonna give a shout out. Who was in here? Ashish Sharma. I don't know if I said that right. Welcome, bro. Minim 4L. Hello. Let's go, boys. Thank you for watching. Like the video, man. Look, this one right here. Look, where you at? Y'all can't see me. Anyways, look. I'm still a noob at this stuff. Look. I need... Let's make me smaller. Yeah, here we go. Look. Welcome, guys. Welcome. And then don't forget, press this button here. The like button. Or the thumbs down. Doesn't matter. If you didn't like it, don't like it. Look, and then go down here and press comment. It won't be here now, but comment. Okay? And then press subscribe. Look like this. I'm not signed in. Press subscribe. It's free. Alright. Alright, boys. Thank you for watching. I promise in the next video we'll learn more C. Oh, look, we got more people. Niraj Longkar. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Hello. Get a shout out to you, man. Hey, thank y'all for watching, man. Go like my other videos too. Yeah, I guess we could do a C++ live stream, since I actually know what I'm doing on C++. We can like build something or whatever. Right now, I don't really know C that well, and so I'm like reading. Look, I even have all these tabs open trying to figure out what I'm doing. Anyways, I can do C++ live stream if you want. Yeah, we could solve leak code problems or code forces or something like that. The more you do it, the more better you'll get. But guys, again, appreciate y'all watching, and I'm gonna end the stream now. I'll see y'all in the next video. Let's get it. Have a good one, and look, Ashish, look, where you at? Look, you need to program in C more, okay? C++. You need to do C++. Go to Code Forces. I'm giving you homework. Don't be asking nobody else how to do better. Only you know better. All right, I'm leaving. Peace out. Oh, look, if you're learning C, stick with it. Don't change. Yeah, oh, best believe I'm learning my C. It's just on these live streams, you know. I might not learn C live. I don't know. We'll see.